It goes like this. Can you sing for me? Hey, 'cause like every time I listen to your voice, my heart seems to really skip. Can you please, baby, sing for me? 'Cause my heart seems to really skip. Every time I listen to your voice, my heart really skips a beat. It seems like I found my love again. Yeah, yeah. Can you read? Can you really sing for me tonight? 'Cause every time I listen to your voice, my heart seems to really skip a beat. And it's every time I listen to your voice, my heart really seems to skip a beat for a minute. Oh, it's every time I listen to your voice, I really seem to have goosebumps. Baby, you're the one for me. It's every time I really listen to your voice, it seems to itch a bit. I really seem to hear your voice like an angel. Can you really sing a bit for me? My heart says really beat for a minute. Can you really sing for me? Yeah. I really wanna hear your voice again and again and again. 'Cause my heart seems to skip a beat every time I hear your voice. Can you really sing for me? Can you really sing for me? Yeah. Baby, please sing for me. Yeah. 'Cause every time I really listen to your voice, my heart really seems to skip a beat. Oh, every time. I know that you are an angel. I know that you are a blessing. I know that, baby, you're a star. 'Cause it's every time I'm listening to your voice, my heart seems to feel it really skips a beat. Can you sing? Can you sing? Sing a bit for me. Oh, baby. Can you really sing for me? 'Cause it's every time you sing, my heart skips a beat. Yeah. It's every time. Oh, baby. Can you sing for me? Can you sing for me? 'Cause it's every time my heart really skips a beat. Every time you say something to me, I really feel your love through my body. Yeah. Seem to feel some vibrations.